Forex trading strategy. This is a winning strategy that have combined few indicators together, and this strategy you can use it on MT4 and not Metatrader4. Neither can you use it on derived platform. So it's strictly made for Meta4 trader platform. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If this is the first time of coming across my channel, kindly make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do make sure you turn on your notification button and do give me a thumb up if you really like the video. The download link for this strategy is in the video description, so you can download the indicators that I use for this particular strategy for free. Make sure you follow the video. Make sure you watch the video to the end to avoid asking me questions that I've answered in the video. Now, let me show you how to use this particular strategy. One thing you should look out for is the agreement of these three indicators that I've combined together for this strategy. Make sure the three indicators are in agreement. We have this indicator turning from blue to red at this particular point for a sell, and the blue is for buy and the red is for sell. And we have this arrow indicator also, red is for sell and the blue is buy also. And the last indicator on the indicator window is a RSI OMA indicator. When the blue is above the red is for buy, and when the red is above the blue is a sell signal. So it's as simple as ABC, and anyone can use it. So at this particular point, we have the two indicators in agreement. These two forex indicators in agreement. This turned to blue, and the other indicator gave us this arrow for a buy. And a few candles after, we have the RSI indicator confirming that particular signal. And at this point, you can place your trade and ride the trend. Your stop loss will be few pips below the previous low for a buy, and for a sell, the stop loss is going to be few pips above the previous high. And this is how to use this particular strategy, and you can use it on any time frame. This is it on M15 time frame, and you can see that we have a lot of winning trade here using this particular strategy. And when you check on 5 minutes too, you will have a good result also, though it might have a lot of failure singular also because this is lower time frame. But you are going to have a lot of this winning strategy if you allow the three indicators to be in agreement. Like at this point, we have all the three indicators in agreement for a buy. Though this changed for a sell here, I'm not going to enter that particular trade. And here we have another sell, but the arrow is not present until this particular point that we have all the three indicators are in agreement. So you enter another sell here, and for buy we have all the three indicators in agreement here also. And at this particular point, though the two indicators agree for a sell, we do not have the third indicator, which is the arrow. And here we have an arrow indicator here, all in agreement, but this was a failed trade. And the last one was a buy signal that was generated by this Metatrader4 trading strategy. And here we have it already, confirmation with the three indicators. So you can use any time frame you want, and you can trade on any time frame you want, but I use it on 15 minutes. And now let me show you the setting for each of the indicator I use for this particular strategy. And the first indicator is this blue and buy arrow indicator. We have the trend magic, the CCI is 34 and the ATR is 5, and this is the color I use for this particular indicator. Just click OK when you are done. And the other indicator is this buy sell indicator, and here are the color that I use. I turn the other color off, this arrow indicator, I turn the arrow, I turn the other color off. But if you want to see how it works, you can turn it on, but I do not need that. And these are the values for the input for this particular Forex indicator. Make sure you enter it accordingly. And the last indicator I use is this RSI indicator, and these are the colors that I use. You can pause the video and enter it accordingly also. And here are the values for this particular indicator. You can play with it, but this is what I am using. Make sure you pause it and enter the values accordingly. This is all the indicator I use. It is simple, just 3 indicators. Just make sure they are in agreement before you place your trade, and make sure you check Forex Factory too if there's no news before you place your trade at that particular moment, so that it won't work against you. So this strategy is meant for Metatrader4 and not Metatrader5, and make sure you trade on the regulated brokers. I have few links in my video description for regulated workers. You can register with any, and the download link is in the video description. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader. Make sure you subscribe and give me that thumb up. That's all I need from you.